Hey everybody, it's Mr. N, and we have another quick online review here. Another 2 multiple choice questions that we should cover, so let's do this. For the first one, it says, the graph of the function f of x is shown, so this is f of x. Which of the following statements is false? We are looking for a false statement. Okay, the limit as x approaches 2 from the left. All right, here's 2 from the left as we come in. Okay, the limit here is going to be 1, and that's correct. All right, the limit as x approaches 2 from the right. All right, so there's 2. We're coming in from the right side. We go up. That's also 1, so that's correct. And then the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x is 1. Well, if the left and the right converge, so this has to work out. So we know that this works, this one over here works, this one works, and this one definitely works because of those two. So, I mean, by default, it's got to be that last one, but let's go ahead and double check. And so over here, it says f of 2 is 1. When I look at f of 2, I get a value of, right up here, 4. So this one does not work, so the correct answer right here would be D. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Moving this up, let's see what we have. It says, determine the equation of the tangent to the function right here. Oops, right here at this point. All right, let's take a look at what we can do. So since I'm asked to find the tangent, that means I need a slope. So a slope is going to be dy dx, or we could say it in terms of y prime, either way. So let's take a look at what we have here, which means I need to take the derivative of this and set that point, -1, -1, to find the slope and then write the equation of the line. All right, so let's go ahead and take this, and this means we're going to have to implicitly differentiate this one. So this becomes 7x to the 6th plus, now we're going to have to do a product rule here. So this is going to be the first times the derivative of the second, which will be 4y cubed. But since I took a derivative of y, I need a y prime, or you can write it as dy dx, either way, right? Because dy dx is y prime. And then plus the second, which is y to the 4th, times the derivative of the first, which will be 5x to the 4th, and this will equal 0. Now, we don't write the x prime because x prime would just be dx over dx, which would reduce out anyway. So that's why we only need the y prime. All right, so let's go ahead and continue on. We are going to solve this. So this becomes, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. So this is x to the 5th times 4y cubed y prime equals -5 x to the 4th y to the 4th minus 7x to the 6th. So I brought the y primes over, put the y prime by itself on the one side. So I end up with y prime, which is my dy dx, as being equal to this -5x to the 4th, y to the 4th minus 7x to the 6th, all divided by 4, and this will be x to the 5th, y cubed. And now I need to put this at the point -1, -1. So when I plug in this point for x and y, so x and y, for each of these, let's see what we end up with. All right, so slide this up just a teeny bit. So over here, I will end up with a value of -5 minus 7 over 4, which gives me -12 over 4, which gives me a slope of -3. And now I can put this in my equation. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Over here, I have the point -1, so y minus -1 equals -3, x minus -1. So y plus 1, over here, I get -3x. And this would be plus 1, so this would be -3 again. Bring this over, I get y equals -3x minus 4. So there's my answer, and that would give me solution choice A right here as the result. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We got more of these coming, so make sure you understand these concepts. These are pretty simple multiple choice ones that you need to know how to do because they should appear on the AP test. See you in the next video.